Okay, so here's the next think, pair, share. You want to use the previous example as a model. Here's the answer. But go ahead and give that a try. All right, so pause the video, and when you're done, resume. So pause now. Okay, we're back. So let's see how we got this solution here. So we have the absolute value of 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. So the first thing we do is we just write down the expression inside the absolute value by itself. And then we take this inequality and put it on the other side in the same direction. Then we take this value and write it on the other side as a negative, or an opposite of that, a negative of that. Now this is just an inequality that we can solve. 3. So we get 2x is greater than or equal to 8, which is 2x is less than or equal to negative 2. Divide by 2. And we get x is greater than or equal to 4, and x is less than or equal to negative 1. All right, but let's graph this on a number line. We've got 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's label this in by 2's. And then we've got negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4. Okay, so first, we've got x is greater than or equal to 4. So let's see, x is greater than or equal to 4. So here at 4, and there's greater than. All right, and then we've got x less than or equal to negative 1. So here's equal to negative 1, and x is less than or equal to negative 1. So this interval on the left is going to be negative infinity to negative 1 inclusive. This interval on the right is going to be 4 inclusive to infinity. And then we want to have the union of those two domains and say that x is equal to that. So this is how we would write it in interval notation. To check to see whether this is correct, we can plug in some values. So for example, if we plugged in x equals 5, right? X equals 5 is right here. That's in one of our solution domains. So we can say if x equals 5, then we've got 2x minus 3 is greater than or equal to 5. We'll put 5 in for x. So it's 10 minus 3 greater than or equal to 5. 10 minus 3 is positive 7. And the absolute value of a positive is still a positive. And this is a true statement. 7 is greater than 5. So x equals 5 is a valid solution. So we kind of confirmed, that this answer domain is correct. How about this one? Well, x equals negative 2 is in that answer domain. So let's try x equals negative 2 and see how that works. And so we can put in negative 2 in for x. We want to see if this will generate a true statement. The absolute value of a negative will be a positive. And that is a true statement. So that validates that x can equal -2, and that kind of validates this answer domain. So we just kind of checked just now to make sure that this is a correct answer for this one. Okay, let me know if you have any questions.